Every client is unique. Most are looking for your full marketing and complete exposure of their property. Others may not be certain they want that kind of exposure. It may be difficult for them to leave during showings. They may not be interested in everyone knowing their business or walking through their home. Or they may just be dipping their toes in the water to see what kind of interest is out there. Bright gives you the options to best serve all your clients and their needs. Starting August 14th, Bright rules will be updated to reflect this flexibility, including no restriction on specific marketing activities for certain listing types, clarification that the MLS entry date must be within 2 days of the listing term beginning, which is the first date any potential buyer may learn about the property. The listing can be entered as a traditional listing or an office exclusive. And for each listing, even coming soon, you can always choose to share the information on the internet or keep it within the systems to subscribers only. Bright is committed to operating in the spirit of the NAR settlement, which allows people to sell their home in the way that's best for them. Learn more at brightmls.com/summer policy updates.